Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how not to make a YouTube video. This video is just for like inspirational purposes, so if you have some time, please watch till the end. Okay, so 2 days ago I wanted to make wafer paper bowl for you guys. So I wanted to make two types. I wanted to make the elaborate one and then make the normal regular bowl, like the one that looks like bow tie. And this was one I made about 2 years ago, so this is not my first time of using wafer paper to make a bowl. Like, I'm quite experienced at this. I've done it for several cakes. I've done it on YouTube before, and that was when I made this kente bowl. So this is not my first time at all, so let's see how it goes. So I had my strips of wafer paper, like 2 strips that I was going to use as usual, and then a 3rd strip for the middle of the bowl. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is putting the glue in the middle of the wafer paper so it can stick to and together, so I can put them together and squeeze the middle. So the next thing I will do normally at this point is to use my my steamer. What the steamer does is that it softens the tip of the wafer paper for a few seconds. That way you can fold it without it breaking. So that's what I'm supposed to do at this point. If you hold it like this, it's going to like crack and like just become an entire mess. So that's why you need a steamer. If you don't have a steamer, all you have to do is put a bowl of water on your hot stove or your cooker and let it like boil slowly. So the steam that comes up, hold your wafer paper over it and then manipulate as you know, according to what you want to do or what you want to make. So okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm squeezing the tip of the bowl of each part of the bowl and then to stick it together. So what you need to stick it together in the middle is some edible glue, and that's it in the glass cup. And how I make my edible glue like is to use some hot water and some stylus powder, or you call it CMC, Ukrainians call it SMS. So like CMC or stylus powder or SMS, whatever it is you have at hand. So just add some hot water to it and try to glue it together. Okay, at this point, yeah, I was frustrated because it wasn't gluing. That's why you can't see my hands. It just wasn't doing, and it was cracking. Like, it was so frustrating. And I was thinking, okay, maybe I can still like be careful and salvage it. So like I was adjusting it as much as I could, and like I removed it and put it back and everything, and tried yet again. It did not do, guys. It was so frustrating. I think the point at this day this was my 6th video, so I was tired. And one thing when I'm tired is that like anything that doesn't do, we get dumped. But it was supposed to be part of my video. I was supposed to have the video of my wafer paper bowl, the elaborate wafer paper bowl that I made. If you guys haven't watched it, I'm going to put the link in the description box. That video was supposed to be 2 types of wafer paper bowls, but it wasn't doing. So like at this point I was tired and I just like got frustrated and just crumpled it and threw it away. Like, I was exhausted and angry. So guys, the core of the story is that on some days like I post a lot of videos for you guys and I experiment on a lot of things, and usually they work out, but on some days they don't work out and you guys don't get to see those videos because like, what am I going to be teaching you in it when it didn't work out? But I just like to show you this one so you can see that we're all humans and we're all just trying.